Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to share your screen on WhatsApp during a call. During a screen sharing session, the video feeds of a call members appear below shared content. The information displayed on your shared screen, including usernames and passwords, are visible to the person you're sharing with. Screen sharing isn't available during audio calls, and audio isn't available for shared content such as YouTube, Netflix, or other games. Also, screen sharing is protected with end-to-end encryption and is never recorded by WhatsApp. No one outside of the call, not even WhatsApp, can use or see or hear what you share from your screen. To share your screen during a call, tap the screen button in the video controls to access the screen sharing. Your phone will show a prompt indicating that you're about to begin recording or casting with WhatsApp. Tap Start Now to begin screen sharing. To stop sharing your screen, tap Stop Sharing simply. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.